If you want even coverage and faster painting, a paint sprayer can make your project easier and give you a clean, professional-looking finish. Let's walk through how to choose the right one. There are 3 main types of paint sprayers, and each suit different projects. Airless paint sprayers can handle thicker paint and are great for large surfaces like walls, decks, or siding. Air paint sprayers, also known as pneumatic air sprayers, are good for small pieces but can create more overspray and use more paint, so taping is a must. HVLP sprayers reduce overspray and give a fine, even finish. They're perfect for cabinets, trim, and furniture. Paint sprayers come with a range of features to customize how you apply paint. Look for features like adjustable spray patterns, easy cleanup, and portability. Some models connect to a hose for faster cleaning. You can also find cordless, corded, and options that handle stains, lacquer, and varnish. Add accessories like an extension rod for high-reach areas, different spray tips for different projects, and filters to keep paint flowing smoothly. Disposable paint strainers and cup liners will help protect your sprayer and make cleanup easier. Proper cleaning keeps your sprayer performing well and lasting longer. Always relieve the pressure and lock the trigger before cleaning it according to the sprayer instructions. Use a conditioner to prevent damage and make sure it's ready for next time. With the right sprayer and accessories, you'll not only save time, but get a better finish on your paint or stain projects. Head to Lowe's online or in-store to find the right paint sprayer and get painting.